A South Carolina mother wants to change a law that could allow a person convicted of murder to get released from prison.
Yeah, this goes back to a heartbreaking story back in 2018. Christopher Mendez shot and killed 19-year-old Carson Whitesell while she was just working at Fort Mills Peach Stand. Menendez pleaded guilty and was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole.
Well, since then, he's been looking for post-conviction relief, which in South Carolina is a proceeding that could overturn a criminal conviction.
WBTV's Rachel Richardson live tonight. Rachel, I know you spoke with Carson's mom about this whole process.
I did, and you're right. In South Carolina, a post-conviction relief could result in a new trial, resentencing, or in some cases, even a dismissal of charges. For the last 7 years, Debbie Harrison tells me that this process has kept her and her family in and out of court.
Christopher Mendez pled guilty to Carson Whitesell's murder and then was sentenced to life without parole in December 2018. Debbie Harrison remembers walking into courts that year.
You know, being in his presence that day was difficult because he made a huge impact on, changed forever the trajectory of my life.
Shortly after his conviction, Mendez began working on post-conviction relief for himself. This month, his most recent order was dismissed. But this has kept Debbie and her family in court for appearances.
We had multiple court dates over the past 7 years. I lost track of how many times we had to go to court, 7 or 8 times, something such as that. We had court dates and continued to have continuances.
She says reliving her daughter's murder and hearing how she was referred to was tough. She says Carson was so much more.
Having them talk about her not by name, but as the victim, it was hard to sit through.
For the last 7 years, Debbie has been working to keep Carson's legacy alive, founding Carson's Compassion Project to do international mission work and help vulnerable children.
It does my heart good to know that her life continues to make an impact in a way that was very on brand for her.
Debbie says her daughter was vibrant and full of life. It's a light she works to continue to spread every day.
Going through life with trying to be a light to people, you never know what difference you're going to make in their lives.
For more information on Carson's Compassion Project, you can head over to our website, WBTV.com. In York County, Rachel Richardson, WBTV, on your side.
Rachel, thank you.